evening, sir. So here's the website that I made. First things first is you need to register. And then you will log in your email and password. Then it will show the home page, and in the lower part you will see the shop now. It will direct you to the product page, but sadly, sir, the add to cart and heart icons are not working. But anyways, let's proceed to the about page. It will shows the why choose us, the 4 icons: free delivery, 10 days return, offer and gifts, and security payment. And as you can see, there is also quick links, locations for the delivery, contact informations. And for the third page, it will shows you the customer's review, the message, and the ratings of our beloved customers. And for the fourth page, it shows the contact us. You can write here your name, your, your email address, and your number. And if you wish to write any message, you can write here the space given. And then send message. And for the last page, the owner's background. You can see, if you wish to know more about me, you can click this. And then you will see this, her name, section, address, hobbies. And there's also her educational attainment from elementary, high school, senior high school, and now college. And also her achievements. Division Meet High school category year 2019, third place high jump, third place long jump, third place hurdle, and for this year, CESAFE, third place high jump, fifth place hurdle, and lastly, being a PYCC coordinator at Christ the King Parish year 2019 and 2021. That's all for today, sir. Thank you so much for listening. Have a nice day.